Hello, my name is Kevin. I am a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and today I will tell you what to do if your TransUnion resident screening has failed. TransUnion is one of the leading global credit information and information services companies, providing data and analytics for consumers and businesses. In the context of real estate rental, TransUnion resident screening allows landlords and property owners to access a rich set of data about potential tenants, including credit history, living history, and financial reliability. This helps minimize risks associated with non-payment of rent and other potential issues, ensuring reliability and transparency in the rental process. Background checks conducted using TransUnion play a key role in landlords' decision-making processes. They not only provide a complete picture of the financial position and reliability of potential tenants, but also contribute to creating a safe and reliable housing community. Benefits of using TransUnion Screening Report. TransUnion screening reports provide landlords and property owners with comprehensive information about potential tenants, allowing them to make informed decisions and minimize risks. These reports include not only credit history but also other important data, making them an indispensable tool in the rental process. Below are the key benefits of using TransUnion Screening Report. Completeness of information. Getting comprehensive information about financial behavior and rental history of potential tenants. Risk reduction. Minimizing financial risks by choosing more reliable tenants with a good credit history and no history of rental delinquencies. Increased profitability. Increasing the likelihood of timely rent payment, leading to stable rental income. Time savings. Speeding up the candidate verification process thanks to access to a convenient and fast online system. TransUnion. Professional support. The possibility of seeking help from TransUnion experts to clarify report data and obtain additional information about potential tenants. Fraud protection. Using advanced technologies and algorithms to verify data authenticity and protect against fraudulent actions by tenants. These advantages make the TransUnion Screening Report an integral part of the tenant selection process for any property, providing landlords with confidence in their decisions and peace of mind throughout the rental relationships. How to read and understand TransUnion Resident Screening Report. Understanding the TransUnion Resident Screening Report is a key aspect for landlords and property owners in making informed decisions about selecting tenants. These reports contain extensive information that can be challenging to interpret without proper preparation. Below is a step-by-step guide to help understand and correctly interpret the main sections of the TransUnion Resident Screening Report. Personal information. Check the candidate's basic data, including name, date of birth, and social security number. This will help ensure the accuracy and relevance of the presented information. Credit history. Focus on the credit rating, payment history, debts, and other credit obligations. A high credit rating and absence of overdue payments indicate the candidate's financial responsibility. Rental history. Review previous living addresses and information from past landlords. Searching for negative information, such as early lease termination or dispute resolution through court, can be a red flag. Criminal record check. Pay attention to any mentions of convictions. The presence of court decisions or other legal issues may affect the rental decision. Financial reliability. Assess the candidate's overall financial position, including income and current obligations. This will give an idea of the tenant's ability to timely pay rent. Reviews of TransUnion Resident Screening Review and information on errors in reports. Exploring reviews of TransUnion Resident Screening Review not only highlights the positive aspects related to the quality and reliability of services, but also important information about possible errors in reports. Users appreciate TransUnion for data accuracy, user interface convenience, quick report provision, and quality customer support. However, like any system dealing with a large volume of data, TransUnion Resident Screening is not immune to errors in reports. Including information about errors and customer reviews on such situations provides a more comprehensive view of the service. Data accuracy. Despite high data accuracy, some users encountered errors in reports, including incorrect data about credit history, living history, convictions, etc. User interface. Users appreciate the intuitiveness of the interface, but some point out difficulties in finding ways to correct erroneous information in reports. Report receiving speed. Most note the speed of receiving reports. However, Cases with data errors may require additional time for correction. Customer support. Overall, the level of customer support is rated positively, but there are reviews about difficulties with quick problem resolution related to errors and reports. Service cost. While many consider the cost of services justified, problems with errors in reports may be seen as a drawback, given the service's paid nature. TransUnion provides tools and support for correcting erroneous information, which is a key aspect of maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. This emphasizes the importance of feedback from users and the company's readiness to quickly address arising issues, thereby maintaining a high level of quality of its services. Common errors in TransUnion Resident Screening Reports. TransUnion Resident Screening Reports play a key role in assessing potential tenants. However, they are not immune to errors, and understanding the most common types helps in their quick resolution. Here are types of errors that may occur in these reports. Errors in personal information. Incorrect name, date of birth, or social security number may be wrongly entered due to typos or misunderstandings during data collection. Incorrect credit history information. Erroneous reflection of debts, incorrect credit status indication, or credit operations not performed by the potential tenant. Outdated information. Information that is no longer relevant due to the expiration of its validity period or after resolving financial problems. Errors in living history. Incorrectly indicated addresses or living history of another person due to matching identification data. Duplication of entries. The same information may appear several times, creating a false impression of the number of obligations. Erroneously marked court decisions. Inclusion of cases or decisions not related to the potential tenant or concluded not in favor of the creditor. Erroneous death. One of the serious errors is incorrect indication in the report that the potential tenant has died. Such an error can arise due to mixing of identification data and significantly complicate the rental process or obtaining credit. Correcting these errors requires attention and active actions on the part of the potential tenant, including checking their own report, collecting necessary supporting documents, and contacting TransUnion for data correction. Regular checking of credit history and living reports will help avoid many problems related to incorrect information in these documents. How to correct errors in TransUnion Resident Screening Report yourself. If you find errors in your TransUnion Resident Screening Report, it's important to know how to act to correct them. Below are steps that will help you independently eliminate inaccuracies, as well as what to do if self-attempts do not yield results. Check the report for errors. Carefully review each section of your TransUnion Resident Screening Report for possible errors or inaccuracies, such as incorrect credit history information, living history, or errors in personal information. Collect supporting documents. Prepare all documents capable of confirming the presence of an error in the report, including bank statements, utility bills, rental agreements, or identification documents. Contact TransUnion. Use the official website or TransUnion contact information to submit an error correction request, providing all necessary details and attaching supporting documents. Track the correction process. After submitting the request, save the case number or use the provided link to monitor the status of your correction request. The agency has 30 days to correct the error, or they can be sued. Check the report after correction. Once you receive notification of your report update, check it again to ensure all errors are corrected. Keep copies of all correspondence and documents. Store records of all communications with TransUnion and copies of documents provided as evidence of errors. If, despite all your efforts, it was not possible to correct errors in the report, seeking help from legal professionals may be necessary. Their expertise in credit legislation can provide significant support in correcting your TransUnion Resident Screening Report, protecting your rights and interests. Real stories. How our legal company helped correct errors in TransUnion Resident Screening Reports. Our legal company has a history of assisting clients with correcting errors in their TransUnion Resident Screening Reports. Here are a few real-life examples that showcase our expertise and the positive outcomes achieved. James's story. Incorrect date of birth. James encountered an issue when his TransUnion Resident Screening Report showed an incorrect date of birth, leading to doubts about his credit history among landlords. Our company helped James collect the necessary documents and submitted a correction request to TransUnion. After several weeks of diligent follow-up, the information was updated, and James successfully rented his desired apartment. Anna's story. credit she never took. Anna found a credit entry on her report that she never authorized, adversely affecting her credit score. We assisted Anna in gathering evidence and liaising with the bank and TransUnion. After a comprehensive investigation, the incorrect entry was removed, restoring Anna's credit standing. Tom's story. Outdated debt information. Tom's report included outdated information about a debt already paid off over 2 years ago. We supported Tom in providing the necessary documents to TransUnion for verification. The entry was corrected, and Tom gained access to better rental opportunities. Emily's story. Incorrect living address. Emily's report listed an address where she had never resided. Our team aided Emily in the communication process with TransUnion, supplying evidence of her actual residential history. The report was corrected, which helped Emily avoid potential rental misunderstandings. Mark's story. Duplication of debt. Mark discovered that his report mistakenly duplicated a debt, negatively impacting his credit score. We guided Mark through the process of filing a complaint with TransUnion. Upon detailed review, the duplicate entries were removed, improving Mark's credit rating. Veronica's story. Erroneously marked court decisions. Veronica's report erroneously mentioned a court decision unrelated to her. We assisted Veronica in proving her non-involvement, working with judicial bodies and TransUnion. Consequently, the incorrect information was removed from her report. Robert's story. Erroneous death. Robert faced a bizarre situation where his report indicated that he was deceased. We supported Robert in the process of affirming his identity and living status to TransUnion. This complex case was successfully resolved, allowing Robert to freely use his credit and rental rights. These stories highlight the importance of taking proactive steps and seeking professional help when encountering errors in TransUnion resident screening reports. Our legal company is proud to have assisted clients in restoring their rights and securing a clean credit history. Benefits of turning to our company. Choosing our legal company for resolving issues with errors in your TransUnion resident screening reports comes with distinct advantages. Free services for the client. Thanks to FCRA legislation, our services to our clients are free of charge. The payment is sought from the party responsible for the inaccuracies. Proven track record. We have a history of successfully resolving hundreds of cases where our clients not only corrected errors in their reports, but also received compensation for the inconvenience and potential harm caused. Expertise in FCRA legislation. Our deep understanding of FCRA laws ensures that we can navigate the complexities of credit reporting, offering the best possible outcome for our clients. Contact us. If you have encountered errors in your TransUnion resident screening report, attempting to resolve the issue on your own can be daunting and ineffective. Contact our lawyers today to start the process of restoring your credit history and safeguarding your rights. We are committed to ensuring your financial well-being by providing expert legal assistance in correcting inaccuracies in your credit report. Your peace of mind and financial stability are our primary concerns. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.